Are you a prop trader? Meaning you love prop trading, but you're tired of dealing with all of these excessive rules that literally blows your account, or you just can't trade because your style doesn't match. Well, guess what? This video is going to be for you. Are you a trader that's also with low capital and looking for something to really scale and grow? Meaning you only can start an account with $500, but you want to get into the live trading side, which is really brokers to trade with? This video is for you. So basically in this video, I'm going to walk you through why you should choose Herofx if you are one of these traders. And also I'm going to save you so much time so you don't have to worry about reviewing every single thing. Let's just get straight to it. First and foremost, the thing that I love about Herofx and what stands out is the Hero 10X account. This is mainly for anybody that has been in the prop firm space or loves the prop firm space, but either maybe have a strategy that just can't get jiggy with the actual prop, or maybe it's just something with the rules. Regardless, whatever the fact is, Hero 10X is pretty much made just for a trader like you. Gives you pretty much instant funds so you can deposit a small amount and then you can start trading with the bigger capital, just like a prop firm. Also, you are able to withdraw just like a typical brokerage firm. So it's not like a prop firm where you have to do it every 14 days or wait 2 weeks and then wait 5 days. All of this nonsense, blah, 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 blah. No, you get it just like you would do with the regular broker. Also, you keep 100% of your profits. This is not a prop firm. We take 90, or you keep 90, we take 10, we take 5%, you keep 95. You're able to even scale up to $1 million. So the cool thing is you can trade $1 million account, 24-hour access to withdraw your funds. On top of that, you keep 100% of your profits. You can hold trades. You can trade during the news. There's no lot size limits. Everything just makes sense. Well, yes, that is true, but there could be some cons to this, and I'm going to break that down in a little bit. But before we get into that, let me tell you the other accounts they have. Just like any typical brokerage will have a zero commissions account, a raw spread account. These are mainly your different types of accounts if you are looking for more commissions and less spreads, or if you're looking for vice versa. Let me explain. Let's say you are a trader that likes to hold trades for extended long period of time. It would make sense to go with a zero commission account. Why? Because usually spreads can widen while you're still in a trade. So I would rather just worry about getting in a trade, not having to worry about widening my spreads or so forth. Also, if you are a trader that just trades throughout the entire day, different sessions, meaning you trade New York, also London, also Asian, and so forth, go with a zero commission account. Now, if you're a trader like me that is just a scalper, I only trade one session and I am cool trading this particular time, a raw spread account makes all sense because we pretty much know what the spreads are during this time, rather if it's during high impact news or low impact news. I know the spreads aren't going to be extremely high, so I can save my costs by getting a trade during these times. So if that's you, then you can go with that. Now, let's talk about the Hero 10X because that is what makes Herofx, in my opinion, the broker of all brokers. So with Hero 10X account, like I told you, this is instant funding, literally as a prop firm. Let's imagine you are coming in with a $50 account, it will 10x that, or a $100 account, it will 10x that. Prime example, if we go here, you pretty much see, if I wanted a $10,000 USA account, I can literally get that by paying $1,000. If I want a, let's say $100K account, I can get that by paying $10,000. So what I'm getting at is you can keep 100% of all of your money. You can withdraw instantly. You don't have to worry about any rules, none of that nonsense. And another factor to this is the 10% fixed drawdown on your initial balance. So just keep that in mind. Initial balance is literally the 100K balance. So if it's at 100K and you have a drawdown below that, then yes, that is gone. But other than that, this is pretty much it. Now, here's the thing though. When you're trading a Hero 10X account, your leverage is not the same like every other brokerage account, like a raw spread 1 to 500 if you open that, or 1 to 1000. This is what it is. For Forex majors, you're at 166. For indices, you're at 115. And then for metals, you're at 115. And for crypto, you're at 13. Now, at this time of recording this, metals is really booming right now. And I'm 90% sure majority of you guys are here for either metals or indices. Yes, your leverage is super small. So what does this mean? When you're trading in any account, your goal is to always go for the bigger amount, because a 1 to 15 leverage is basically saying you're only able to hold a P&L for a certain threshold, and it's not a lot at all. Think of it like this. A regulated USA Forex broker leverage is set to 1 to 130 and sometimes 1 to 150. And a lot of times the commissions is extremely high. And this is why a lot of traders don't trade Forex for regulated brokers because of that reason. This is why they go offshore. So if you think of it like that, you're actually dealing with a lot smaller amount. Now, that being said, the commissions and all of that stuff isn't nothing like Oanda or like Forex.com. You're basically getting what you're getting. So I really wanted to talk about that because that's important. And another thing I do want to talk about is the commissions per lot, because I feel like nobody's talking about this stuff because this is like low key hidden in their terms and agreement. So Forex majors is $10, indices is $1, indices pro is 40, metals is 10, and crypto is 1. That's really it. Now, guys, I will suggest if you are the trader that needs something polished like a prop firm, go with Hero 10x account. This is why I will highly suggest somebody like you tapping into this, because you get all of both worlds in a nutshell. That being said, if you guys are interested, you can also tune into my personal Solo ETV community where we will literally help you trade different assets like silver, oil, gold, and so forth. You can learn a lot literally by signing up for free once you sign up with Herofx and deposit with them, or even go for the Hero 10x account. Other than that, I appreciate you, your boy Solo ETV, checking out here at ForexPropRank. See you guys in the next video. Peace.